Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to use Surfshark VPN on your LG Smart TV. To get your Surfshark VPN working on your LG Smart TV, you can't install the app directly since webOS doesn't support VPN apps. Instead, you have a few workarounds. First step is to easiest install the Surfshark on your router. Once configured, all devices connected to your Wi-Fi, including the LG TV, will use the VPN automatically. Next option is that to set up a virtual router or mobile hotspot on your Windows or Mac laptop. Connect Surfshark there, and then share the VPN protected connection with your TV. So if your LG TV runs on Google TV or Android TV models, you can now directly download the Surfshark from the Google Play and log in. Lastly, if you mainly want VPN for streaming, you can use the Smart DNS in your Surfshark account. Just activate it and then enter the DNS address manually in your LG TV's network settings. This won't encrypt traffic but will unblock geo restricted content.